Hi, I'm Aaron Kendall of Kendall Law Group, an estate planning and probate attorney here in Michigan. Today let's discuss conservatorships, what they are, why you might need it, and why you probably won't want it in most situations. A conservatorship is someone named a conservator assigned by the court to look after your financial assets. Now, this can be helpful if you're an adult and you're disabled or otherwise unable to manage your financial affairs. And it can make sense because it is protected. The conservator is responsible to the court and has to file regular reports with the court. The downside is having a conservator can be very expensive due to all of the reports, inventory, and all the administrative requirements that go into being a conservator. As an adult, you can control who your conservator will be by naming a possible conservator in your power of attorney. A way to get rid of having a conservator entirely is to have your assets in a trust and then naming your trustee to be able to care for you if you are disabled or unable to manage your financial affairs yourself. This tends to cut down on considerable time, expense, and court time that can become very expensive very quickly, cause delays and other problems. Now, the biggest area where conservators get involved are for minor children. This is where, for example, you're a grandparent and you've decided you want to leave money to your grandkids. This is a really good idea. It's a very nice thing to do. Here's the wrong way to do it. In your will, leave money to your grandchildren. If that happens, and especially if it's through an insurance policy or other agency, those agencies are going to require the court to appoint a conservator to look after that money for your minor grandchildren. This now causes court time, expense, and potential legal trouble for your children who are taking care of your grandchildren because they can't touch the money and it has to be held for the grandchildren. This can be a problem. So the best way to do this, if you want to leave money towards your grandkids, is to have it in a trust and have the trustee be in charge of managing those funds for your grandkids. This gets rid of the requirement for a conservator to be appointed and saves you a lot of time, money, hassle, and inventory issues that you're about to cause to your kids who are now stuck managing all of that for their grandkids in court. And it's an expense they were likely not anticipating and didn't really want to have happen. So the best thing to do if you do want to leave money to someone who is a minor is contact an attorney and have a trust set up that spells that out. Again, if you need any help, please reach out to me and I'd be glad to answer your questions and try to help you if I can. Please go ahead and join my free Facebook group, Michigan Estate Planning and Asset Protection on Facebook, or contact me at kendall-law.com and I'd be glad to discuss the matters with you and see if I can help you. Thank you.